We think that there's lots of people diving into these cloud platforms, these modern data platforms with a huge range of tools, but these big vendors aren't necessarily focused on things like data vault automation. So we don't want them to have to rip all that stuff out and put in another big tool. We want them to just augment, and that's the philosophy.
Or get one of the larger tools and only use 10% of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Which is another problem, right?
Well, you waste money if you're overlapping in capability. So this is just a targeted capability, and we're trying to make it, easy to acquire, easy to approve, because you don't have to deploy something to production. So it's not going to get in the way of your an architecture committee or a security committee. It's very easy to fit in and understand what it does, what it reaches, where its touch is, and understand that it's not going to breach any of your existing policies. And then it's not going to mean that you have to do a steep learning curve for your developers. And because it is very iterative, you actually map a single source system at a time. It really promotes that agile way of working that we're seeing in these new data platforms, where people are trying to promote data into their data vault based on a use case.